Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of KinCustom, a powerful platform tailored for custom product dropshipping. KinCustom allows users to design and sell unique apparel, accessories, and home goods without managing inventory or handling shipping logistics. The platform features a seamless design tool that integrates easily with popular e-commerce platforms. After setting up an account, you can upload designs, choose product types, and start building your brand. KinCustom's pricing model is straightforward, offering no upfront costs. You only pay when an order is placed, making it a risk-free option for beginners. One standout feature is the ability to white-label products, allowing your brand to shine without KinCustom's logo on your merchandise. The platform also boasts global shipping and an eco-conscious production process, emphasizing sustainability in business. While KinCustom provides excellent customization options, some users report longer shipping times for international orders, which is worth considering when managing customer expectations. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, quotas for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Despite minor drawbacks, KinCustom remains a top choice for those looking to launch a dropshipping store centered around unique, customizable products. With its easy-to-use tools and no upfront investment, it's an excellent platform for creatives and entrepreneurs alike. If you're serious about scaling your e-commerce business with custom products, KinCustom is worth exploring. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews and tips.